When it comes to improving the comfort of your home and reducing energy costs, one of the most effective upgrades you can make is installing energy-efficient windows. Fayetteville, with its hot summers and cold winters, demands windows that can help maintain a comfortable indoor climate while also reducing your utility bills. Here's a guide to help you choose the best windows for energy efficiency, keeping both your home's needs and your budget in mind. Why energy-efficient windows matter? Windows are a primary source of heat loss and gain in your home. Poorly insulated or outdated windows can lead to drafts, inconsistent temperatures, and excessive energy consumption. Whether it's the intense summer heat in Fayetteville or the chilly winter evenings, the right windows can help keep your home comfortable year-round. By reducing the load on your heating and cooling systems, energy-efficient windows can lower your energy bills, reduce your environmental footprint, and enhance the overall value of your property. Features of energy-efficient windows. Before you begin your search for the perfect windows, it's essential to understand the features that make a window energy efficient. Low E glass. Low emissivity. Low E glass is coated with a microscopically thin layer of metal oxide that helps reflect heat back into the home during winter and keep heat out during summer. This keeps your indoor environment stable and reduces the need for heating and air conditioning. Double or triple pane glass. Double or triple glazing is essential for insulation. These windows have multiple layers of glass with an air or gas-filled space between them. The gas, often argon or krypton, acts as an additional layer of insulation, reducing heat transfer. Window frame material. The material of your window frame also plays a significant role in energy efficiency. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are known for their excellent insulation properties, while wood frames can offer good performance as well, though they require more maintenance. Aluminum frames, while durable, tend to conduct heat, so they are less energy efficient unless they have a thermal break. Airtightness. An energy-efficient window must be airtight to prevent drafts. Windows with proper sealing and weather stripping can prevent air leakage, which is critical in a climate like Fayetteville's. Solar Heat Gain Coefficient, SHGC. The SHGC measures how much solar radiation is allowed into your home. Windows with a low SHGC are great for keeping out excessive heat during summer, helping to reduce cooling costs. Factors to consider when choosing windows in Fayetteville. While it's easy to get overwhelmed by the variety of window types and features, taking the time to understand your needs and priorities can help you make a smart decision. Here are some important considerations when choosing windows for your home in Fayetteville. Climate considerations. Fayetteville has a mixed climate, which means windows need to perform well in both hot summers and cold winters. Look for windows that can handle temperature fluctuations, prevent heat loss in winter, and block solar heat gain in summer. Energy Star certification. One of the easiest ways to identify energy-efficient windows is to look for the Energy Star label. This certification ensures that the window meets or exceeds the standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and the U.S. Department of Energy, DOE. Choosing Energy Star certified windows ensures that you are getting high-performance products designed to save you energy. Window style. The style of the window can affect energy efficiency as well. For instance, casement windows, those that open outward like a door, generally provide a better seal than sliding or single-hung windows, reducing air leakage. Budget. Energy-efficient windows can have a higher upfront cost, but they offer long-term savings through lower energy bills. Be sure to factor in the energy savings over time when comparing prices. Also, check for any available rebates or incentives for energy-efficient home improvements in Fayetteville. Benefits of choosing energy-efficient windows: lower energy bills. As the primary benefit, energy-efficient windows reduce your heating and cooling costs. Over time, this can add up to significant savings. Increased comfort. Energy-efficient windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing drafts and cold spots during the winter and keeping your home cool in the summer. Environmental impact. By using less energy, you are contributing to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, helping to reduce your overall environmental footprint. Enhanced property value. Energy-efficient windows are a selling point for homebuyers. They not only lower operating costs but also improve the overall appeal of your home. Conclusion. When it comes to choosing the best windows for energy efficiency in Fayetteville, you want a product that offers long-term savings, comfort, and performance. By considering the right features, such as low-E glass, multiple panes, and energy-efficient frames, and factoring in your local climate, you can ensure that your windows will meet your needs while reducing your energy costs. With a little research and a thoughtful approach, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can be one of the best investments you make for your home.